Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. What do you do when you get in your car, you look at your headlights, and all of a sudden one of your lights is burned out? No big deal. I'm going to show you how to go about replacing your headlight yourself. The car we're working on today, I believe it's a 2008 Chevy, so let's get started. Basically, we're going to be removing these bolts right here, and we're going to take the headlight assembly totally out of the car, and then we'll replace it in the back. So let me show you how to do it. Let me grab some tools and we'll get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out these 10mm screws. First thing we'll do is take these 10mm screws out here that hold the headlight into the car. As you can see, you can't get the headlight out from the back because the headlight is touching right up against this piece of steel here, the radiator support. So let me show you what we're going to do. Let's take out the other bolt here. You can take these two out, and then the headlight assembly itself pops right out. These pins are inside these holes right here. Both these pins have to go back in there. What you do is you open up this cover in the back right here. And you'll see the light bulb is right in here. What you do is you take the bulb itself, you turn it, and you just remove the light bulb like that. Then you come around to the back area right here, and these little tabs hold the light in. You just pull these out to the side here and it pulls right off. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. And then it pulls right out. I'll show you how to put the new one in. Okay, just a word of advice. When you have these bulbs, don't touch this with your fingers, because if you get the oil from your fingers on these bulbs, you're going to have a problem with the bulb is going to burn out. So don't touch it with your fingers. But you can take the light bulb, put it back, and you'll hear it snap in. Then you take the light bulb, you put it into the housing. Remember, you turned it sideways to get it out, so you turn it sideways to get it back in. And then you just turn it, you'll hear it snap back into position. Then you take your cover that you previously took off, you turn it until these grooves on the side line up with these little pins inside here, and you just turn it till you feel it touch, and then you turn it all the way in until it's tight. Then you'll take the housing and you'll line up those two pins down in the bottom, put your light back in, and then we're going to reattach it with these screws, 10mm bolts that held the light in place. Same thing here. Tighten the bolts all the way down. Okay, now if you've done everything correctly, you'll come around to the car, turn your headlights on, and one side's on, and the other side's on. So if you've, just don't touch the light bulbs with your fingers, and it should last you for quite some time. So as you can see, replacing your headlight is a fairly easy job. Just remember, don't touch the headlight, the new headlight, with your fingers, and you'll be fine. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.